welcome to my channel. I'm sure you're like, what's going on here? This is my hair freshly washed, believe it or not, without any product whatsoever. My hair is not fully wet, it's just damp, so yeah. Today's hairstyle is going to be something simple and quick, so fear not. I'm just trying to separate the front. Yeah, we're already into the video. Yep, I am in a rush and I needed something quick. I mean, not like too quick, but something protective and something that won't take me too much time to do at all. See what I gotta do. I'm gonna put the back away. While I'm doing that, I just wanted to thank you for always tuning into my channel to see my videos. If this is your first time seeing any of my videos, I appreciate it. Thank you for clicking to see what I'm up to. Let me do the first part. Okay, seeing as my hair is drying out, I just want to spray a little bit of water just to make it more damp. I always prefer to manipulate my hair when they're damp. It's just easier. First thing I put is my pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner, and I apply that generously to my hair from roots to end. I don't like my leave-in conditioner touching my scalp, so I'm always careful about that. Next thing I apply is Monoi Milk Moisturizer. It makes my hair shiny, and I just like the way it makes it soft as well. I seal up all that moisture with organic olive oil, cold press, especially at my ends, just because I just need a little bit of that moisture locked in. And then I go in with scalp cream. Oh my god, I feel like I need to do this line again, like it's not straight. Anyways, then I use my fingers to sort of create another line, so I can add a little bit more and make another line, a little bit more, and then I just massage to distribute the hair cream on my scalp. I finger detangle a little bit. I'm basically showing you how I moisturize and detangle my hair. And then I go in with a wide tooth comb, starting from the ends, and then I work my way up. Et voila! That's how I moisturize my hair fresh out of washing it. I'm just gonna go ahead and flat twist my hair. I always like to brush the end of my flat twist because I feel like it's tangled a lot while I was flat twisting before I just twist the ends. I hate tangles. Okay, you have to forgive me. So I don't like the way the flat twist looks, and I'm literally going to do it again. Thank goodness it's the first one, so skip this step. This usually happens sometimes, not all the time. I'll do something and it just doesn't look right to me, and I'll just redo it again. I feel like this will work much better. Disregard the other steps. It happens, it happens. Does this ever happen to you when you do your hair? Or is it just me? Okay, my bandage is coming off. I think I should just take it off because, yeah, the oil is making, ugh. Okay, hopefully I don't get hair stuck in it or anything. Oh, that'd be gross. Okay, don't think about it anyways, moving on. Okay, I'm just gonna brush it out from the twist that I did a little bit. Okay, let's do this again. This is why I prefer doing flat twists over cornrows. Like, I just feel like they're easier to do on my hair and easier to like unravel or create. I don't know, maybe it's me, but yeah. Yeah, this definitely looks much better than the first one. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking. official first flat twist done. Okay, let's do the second one. One tip I'd like to share is I usually like to alternate the lines my hair is in. So the hairstyle I had before were braids and they were box lines, which meant all the lines that I had were straight, vertically or horizontally. So now that I'm doing the next hairstyle, I don't want to do any line that follows like the same pattern that I had before, just because I don't want to lose hair in those spots. Sometimes when we do lines and cornrows and flat twists and, you know, put our hair in the same exact spots like ponytails or, you know, cornrows in the same position, we just tend to lose hair in those areas and we don't want to do that. So if you can, just try to alternate the lines in which you put your hair in. Because I have a few bald spots in areas that I really shouldn't have or could be avoided, but here I am with bald spots that I'm trying to get back to put my hair back in how it used to be before. But oh well. Let's do a third one. I am loving it so far. If the line isn't straight, I'll keep going and going and going till I get a straight line. Like now. Even though I'll be the first to tell anyone, it's like, oh, you know, your line doesn't have to be straight. I need to, you know, take that same advice. Okay, Khadijah, let it go. Let it go. Okay. One thing I would also like to share is that when I moisturize my hair, can you see like the leave-in conditioner? Once it absorbs into my hair, it leaves no trace, no white residue, nothing. But for me, it's like I need to make sure my hair is coated in my leave-in conditioner, my products, my moisturizer, to make sure my hair is well moisturized and hydrated. That's why I always spray water to make it damp so that it's easier for my hair to absorb. And then once my hair dries, it's left with shine and amazingness. No white residue. I just thought to share that. Look at that. Yep, I don't wipe it away. I don't do anything. I just leave it and it absorbs into my hair. Can you see the first one that's now less damp, has no white anything? Yeah, that's how the rest are gonna be. Gonna be. This side of my hair is already dry, seeing as I started manipulating this way. When I was parting my line, it hurts. Yeah, so all you people who are like, oh, I have 4C hair and my hair hurts, it's because your hair is dry. Never do anything on your hair dry because your hairs tend to break when dry. No! I have a single strand knot. I have to cut it. Because I finger detangle a lot, it's easier for me to find single strand knots because your fingers will just feel it. As you're running your fingers through your hair, your fingers will just feel it and you can easily just, you know, find them and get rid of them because single strand knots could become big tangles that you can't get rid of. Whenever I'm about to start flat twisting, my fingers just go into reflex mode and try to cornrow instead. So my brain has to tell my fingers, no, we're flat twisting. We're not doing cornrows. Every time. Every time. Why are you not being straight? Come on. There you go. I feel like I have to be careful when I say a hairstyle is quick or easy because I mean those words are quite relative. A hairstyle that can be easy for me might not be easy for you, or a hairstyle that can be quick for you might not be quick for me. So I'm always just so cautious when I use those words with protective styles. All that matters is your end result. Your end result also doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to have a hair that's protected, well moisturized, well hydrated, and protected. That's all that matters. Okay? So I have equal parts-ish. Just wanted to show you, can you see how my hair is dry? So for my 4C hair girlies, or even anyone with natural hair, just make sure you spray your hair with water and make it a bit damp. Not wet, damp. It's easier. Trust me. And thank me later. Okay, done with the front. How many do I have? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, let's do the back. The back is quite simple. Look at that. Did I give y'all permission to do group hugs? What I have to do is moisturize the back of my hair. In sections, of course. Because man, if I deal with my hair as a whole, we will all be crying. Yep, including you. So I will deal with it in 4 parts. Ooh, who doesn't like a well hydrated and moisturized hair? Now I'm gonna do this to the rest of the sections at the back. Okay, let's finish detangling and moisturizing my hair sections. And now for the finale, I'm just gonna put the back in a low bun. So I'm not putting any curler or anything like that, just the same moisturizers that I had put, because I really don't want it to be like too sleek. Of course, I use my detangling brush to just go over it. And I'm using a seamless hair tie to put my hair away. Not too tight, so we just go over it a few times. My little puff. And then these little guys, we're just going to put them over and stretch them. I'll just fluff this a little bit, and that's the entire look. Oh my gosh, I love. I love this so much. But wait, I was thinking earlier, I was like, I always say I love my hairstyle so much, right? And I was like, have I ever done a hairstyle that I didn't like? Yes, but I love most of them. Oh my gosh. Okay. And another reason why I love this hairstyle is because it's quite versatile, because the back, I can do so many different hairstyles with the back. I love that I didn't use any like gel or any curler or anything else, because I just honestly didn't want too many products in my hair. So yeah. I just love how simple and elegant this hairstyle is, and I also love the fact that I can dress it up and dress it down as well. One of my favorite qualities in protective styles is versatility, is protection. They're also elegant, like in a very simple, unassuming way, if you catch my drift. Like, I just love the way I look. I just do. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay. All right, yes, sorry. Okay, yes, I love this hairstyle and I don't know how to act, but anyways, wow, okay. Thank you so much as usual for watching my videos. I always appreciate it. Anytime I see someone watch my video and leave a comment or leave a like, I'm always so giddy because I'm like, oh my goodness, someone took out their time to actually not only watch my video from start to finish, but they engaged with my video. Like, it's just mind-blowing to me. I know how busy we can get and how short our days can be, but the fact that you take out time to engage with my content, it means so much to me, and I always appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I know I don't have to say it, but please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, like physically like it, and don't forget to press the bell so you get notifications every time I post, and you can always remember that I'm right here. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.